Hey loves, hey, it's me, Katherine, also KGbeautywithin, and I got my Dia & Company box today, and we're going to open it up and see what we have. I haven't had one in a while because I had two back-to-back surgeries, so I kind of stopped getting them, and I just was missing them so much, and I just wanted to start back up. So I'm going to be doing a review on these, and let's see what's in here. I'll let you know what I keep and what I decide to send back. Now, how this works is that they give you get a box. You can choose whether to get it every other month, or you can get it every month, or you can get it sporadically, and you have 5 days to look at your box, and you decide what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep. And what you don't want to keep, they send you they give you a shipping package, so you can send it back free of charge, and you won't get charged for those items. So the items that you keep are the ones you get charged for, and normally they give you a significant discount. I really do love these boxes. They're designed for plus size ladies, and I just really do love them. So let's just open the box and see what we have. It's been a while, so I can't wait to dig into it. Their packaging, they have a Dia. This is so look inside. This is from my stylist, so they only send you a little nice personal note. It says, "Welcome back, Katherine. How are you? From all of us at Dia, I would love to express how thrilled we are to assist you in your style journey. Since the sleeveless fox wrap dress was the only maxi dress option I could find, I've included this versatile tie waist cardigan to pair overhead for additional coverage. Slip them on with simple earrings and ballet flats for heading to work. Try these classy trousers or these trendy boyfriend jeans with this flowy kimono sleeve blouse and ankle booties for a boho chic outfit. If you love your box, make sure to use the star rating system while also giving us feedback on the box to let us know how we are doing." So this is letting me know what I have, and then it tells me that if I keep everything, I can get a 25% discount, and it'll be $208 if I keep everything in the box. The brands they sent me was a East Adeline Nicole Kamani sleeve blouse, which is a navy blue color. It's a size 4X. They sent me a Molly and Isadora Charlize Tia waist sweater cardigan. It's ivory. East Adeline Juno Fox wrap dress, which is a 4X navy teal. A Morgan and Walker Germain cuff boyfriend jeans, medium wash, and then they sent me a Prescott New York Coventry petite straight leg trousers, which are black and size 28. So the total altogether would have been $304. They charge you a styling fee, which is they said is credited toward anything that I keep, and then there's a 25% off discount that they offer you if you keep everything. So I love that. And like I said, they send you an envelope where if you want to send things back, it's self-addressed, so you would do that. And it's a big old bundle. It's heavy. It's super heavy. They got them wrapped all up in a nice little bundle. They have their little Dia sticker. They have really great packaging. That's something I really do love, is their packaging. So let's open them up and see what we have, and then I'll try them on and let you see how they look. Oh, I really do like this white sweater. I don't have a white sweater in my wardrobe. I'm hoping that this works because I really do like it. It's very pretty. Can't wait to try this on just to see how it looks. It is just beautiful. I absolutely love this blouse. I love the patterns. I love the design. Oh, my stylist really did a wonderful job picking this out. I just really like this, and I hope that this stays in my wardrobe. I'm a little unsure about this maxi wraparound dress,
It is a dress. I requested a maxi, but I don't like wraparounds. But I'm going to keep an open mind just to see how it looks and see if it's something that I would like to keep in my wardrobe. These pair of jeans are really nice. I'm hoping that I can wear them. I'm needing a new pair of jeans in my wardrobe, but we'll just have to wait and see because jeans can be a little tricky when trying on. I needed another pair of slacks. As you know, it's winter time, so I'm really trying to stock up on my slacks. So let's just see how that works. I can't wait to get started.
What I decide to send back. Who knows? I may like them all. So let's get started. I'll be right back. Okay, I got the blue jeans on, you all, but it is not a perfect fit. I cannot button them, and I can't zip them, so although they are beautiful, they are not going to work for me. I do, however, love the top, so the top is probably something that I would keep. And I'm a little disappointed in the blue jeans because they know my size, but I just can't. I have had a total hysterectomy, so I can't have anything tight on my abdomen, and these are very uncomfortable. So unfortunately, I will not be able to wear these, so they are definitely going to go back. So I'm going to try on the black pants to see if I have if they fit better and if they're comfortable, and then I'll let you know what I decide to keep and what I decided to take back. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, this is the last outfit. I decided to put the white jacket back on because I know that this is something that I would probably wear. These are black slacks and they're comfortable. They don't have any pockets. They don't have any. I do love the shirt, so I'm definitely going to keep the shirt. And I do like the sweater. So this is how this whole outfit would look if I decided to put the sweater with it. And you can either have this untied or you can tie it up, which is something I probably would do because my OCD would probably kick in. So that's that. And look, but this is how that would look without the sweater. And I really do like that combination. I love the colors. I love how well the shirt fits in the pants. I'm thinking about keeping the pants. They are comfortable. The only thing I'm worried about is if I wash them, how well they're going to do once they're washed. But you all know the second washing is always the charm. But I could just let them, air dry as well. But I really do need some more slacks, so I'm thinking about keeping it. So this is all I got from my box. Overall, I'm really happy with what I got. I was hoping that the jeans worked and they didn't. But overall, I'm happy with the selections that my stylist chose for me. I love this because one thing I love about Dia & Company is that you can do this in your home. You don't have to worry about going to a store. And when you plus size and you try on clothes and then they don't fit, or you go in the go out the dressing room, you have to ask someone how you look in it and everything. Sometimes they can be quite intimidating, and sometimes they can be a little bit embarrassing. But when you love yourself and you're comfortable with yourself and you know that you're representing yourself the best you can and you're being your best self, you can be a beautiful plus size woman, lady, and have nice clothes, and of course continue to be healthy and everything, eat healthy and just try to be a better you. But I love this because this is a way of trying on clothes. I get to try before I buy, which is something I love. And then I love the way they communicate with you. They're very nice packaging, very friendly, and very plus size friendly. So I am very pleased, and this is probably what I will be keeping, will be the slacks, the shirt, and the top. So I'd probably be about $100 and something altogether. And I just hope you enjoyed this, that I can refer people to the company and you'll get a discount and I'll get a discount. So if you want to know more about Dia & Company, or if you want to get a discount, just contact me via Facebook, Katherine Agent Author, or KGbeautywithin, hashtag KGbeautywithin, and you'll always find me. So this is my box. I enjoyed it. I loved it. And so I really love the company, and I really feel nice and
Wonderful. 2 things are going to go back. I'm still on the fence about the black pants because I know that once you wash them, they will, you know, shrink. So I'm on the fence about the black pants. Although I do need another pair of pants, I'm thinking about sending them back because I really want to be comfortable. I've had a total hysterectomy, and you know, once you've had those surgeries like that, you have to be comfortable and you have to make sure that you don't have anything that's tight. Although it does look beautiful, I'm really on the fence, and I'm thinking about sending them back. Wonderful night. If you see me hopping, you all know I did have a surgery on my ankle, and it's been a year, still recovering. So keep me in prayer. Remember God first, family second, convert third. Put all 3 of those things in perspective, and everything do fall in place. And remember to be your own authentic